All right, guys, we're back. We are back. Welcome back from a long weekend. Hope everybody's good. Get everything loaded up here. I hope everybody had a great weekend. Welcome to some live NQ trading where we trade gamma exposure, volume profile, and order flow. Live in real time, no messing about here. Okay, I trade everything in real time, so mine is static. How about now? There's a little bit of a problem with this connection. Wales Team Crypto, how's it going? How about now? Perfect now, yeah? What about now? Alright, so that should be alright now, I think. Seems alright from the capture card. Yeah, so guys, long weekend. We had a day off yesterday. I did take a trade yesterday, actually. Just one small long here when we took liquidity. I captured about 50 points on it, decent for a low liquidity Monday. Today we are selling off. We still got this drama going on with Trump and Greenland. VIX is elevated. Okay, VIX is very, very elevated. Tomorrow we get a new VIX contract. So tomorrow could be an interesting day. All right, so we are really high on the VIX today. We pre-market slammed straight into this level I've got here, the value area low. This is a level that I had pulled from this profile. Show you now. Okay, look at that. Yep, there it is. That's the level I pulled. This is the volume profile that we're trading inside right now. This is the range that we're trading inside, and we're right at the value area low. So I think we have a chance of filling some of this gap here today. Okay, so I am a little bit leaning more bullish than bearish. I think we have a chance of flying up here and then maybe selling off either today, later today, or tomorrow. That's kind of how I'm leaning at the minute. I have taken a trade on this. I've got in late because by the time I got to my PC, we were already up here. So I took this around 200 and got out around about 270. I'm still in it. I've got some skin in it, so I'm still expecting higher pricing. Okay, I'm still expecting higher pricing on this. My first target would be half gap on QQQ. So if we open here, looks like around here, we've got 15 minutes to open. So at least to half gap and then maybe come down, or maybe we get a full gap fill. But I'd be trading it towards at least half gap. Yeah, I think we're going to correct this imbalance, come down up into the 400s. I can see on the order flow right now we have liquidity sitting all the way up here at the 400s, so that would be my target for this long here. All right, interesting to see where SPX opens. This is going to be support here, major level, major key level. We might be opening here, so this is another reason why I think we can, get some bullishness and then maybe come back, retest it, and then eventually it fails because we've got catalyst active. So catalyst active is, it's not a very good thing. I think we've got tariff rulings as well. There's a lot going on today. There's a tariff ruling. I think Trump talks about Greenland as well later, maybe not during market hours. I think that's after market hours today. He talks about Greenland or whatever. So yeah, there's a lot going on here today. There's a lot of liquidity to the upside here, more liquidity to the upside and the downside. So I am still in this with small size, only 3 contracts left. I took off 3 contracts. I was in mid 6, but I'll leave that on until it gets to like maybe around 400, I do think we can get a nice, a really nice move up, a quick move up. Then we might get a snapback. All right, but I ultimately think we're gonna trade into this this gap from the weekend. If anything, I may add into here. Where's the gamma level? Yeah, gamma level's also all the way up here. This is going to be a key level, 440s, 430s. I may add in, if we come down here, I may re-enter or add some more contracts in here, because I think this low has a chance of holding for higher prices before coming down. So that's kind of what I'm thinking here today. I do think there's a really good chance we can squeeze a lot of shorts, because you know it's been heavily bearish. We're down 1.7% on NQ, 1.5 on ES. So let me see what you boys are thinking. I got a little poll there for you guys. Yeah, exactly. It's like that's what I'm saying, crypto. I think that's what I'm thinking. That's kind of my thinking right now. I think we're gonna get a pump into it, but we could have the open fall into the LVN first before going higher. So I may look to add here. Let's see how we go on. Yeah, I think the ES also swept this liquidity level that I had marked 68.66. Swept it, and then we're starting to rally now. Yeah, but I think the ultimate target would be this liquidity target here on NQ. So we could just get slammed straight through, and then this is the least likely scenario in my opinion, but you never know. I think we could get moving here and then move higher. Least likely is just we go straight down, straight into here, and then bounce. I think a drop, and then the drop comes, then we get a second bite at this and we can trade again. A bit of a sell-off going on right now. So 10 minutes, we've got 10 minutes left until the open. Bitcoin also selling off. Crypto's really bearish. Silver is just going mental. Silver just going absolutely crazy, guys. Yeah, this thing is just out of control. And so is gold. Yeah, this thing is just nuts, man. Out of control, these metals at the moment. Crypto's getting no love at all. It's getting absolutely obliterated. Bitcoin trading in this this is bearish pattern, a wedgie pattern. But I think max pain would be to go back up and then squeeze people around 110, get everybody bullish, and then drop it. I would think this is the most painful scenario. I could be wrong, I don't know. That's what I think. Get bearish, then pump it, then dump it. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so I've got skin in, and if this decides to pump at the open, you know, I've got some skin in here. I can just take some profits and then wait. And if we drop, I'll probably jump in again. If this doesn't hold, I'm gonna, yeah, I'll stay out, because then it's probably gonna likely break. Now, VIX is really elevated. Opened up today. We were off yesterday, market was closed. For the stocks, futures was half day. Yeah, this is going to be big resistance on QQQ, the half gap. It's lining up with a lot of gamma levels as well. Interesting to see where SPX opens today. Check X out. Yeah, I totally agree with this. One guy buying a lot of the holdings of Bitcoin is definitely not a good thing. Threatening 200% on French wine. He's done that before. He made a joke about that. I've seen a video where he makes a joke about this. Who's posted this? If you believe this. Five minutes till the open. Wait, very far. That's crazy. Did Trump actually say this? The drug doesn't work on him. I saw him recently. He's actually fatter than ever. Wow. Yeah.
So it's the exact same growth, and because it was well punished, that's an heavy check. It was made in the same plant by the same company. It's identical. And here I pay 87, and in New York I pay 13.
That's crazy though.
So it was too much for me, because after I told him that the drug was not worth it because I saw it was in the sexual pattern, the drug.
Wow. Oh my god, this guy is fucking hilarious. This guy is class. Oh my god. Oh fuck it now. What a guy, man. What a guy. All right, couple of minutes, ladies and gents. Couple of minutes until we get going here. I think expect some big volume because you know, we've had a 3-day weekend. We've got the VIX elevated, so expect some big volume at the open here. I do expect it. So let's see. I'm hoping it goes in my way and we get a spike to the 400s. But I can expect some big volume here. You can see it sizing up already right before the open. Maybe it's a bull trap and we go down. Or maybe this is just getting some, maybe the big boys are getting some orders in before the market opens. A couple of minutes earlier. Let's load up some news as well. Make sure we keep an eye on that today as well. We want markets to calm down. Japan's prime minister said, okay, we're open, guys. We are open. And we are spiking. Yes, boys. There we go. There's the spike. Let's go. Keep going there. Send it, says Team Crypto. Let's go. A lot of people trying to long this. A lot of people trying to long this right now. There's a lot of people want to long this right now. Huge bullish delta coming in. Still think we got a chance for higher here. I really do. There's still a lot of liquidity to the upside. Yeah, it sold off a bit here. Yeah, massive volume coming into the market here. Massive volume. Getting sold off. Really bullish. Very, very bullish, but it's getting sold now. Man, that was a nasty rejection. What a nasty rejection that was. Really, really nasty rejection. This ain't looking too good. Hopefully it can recover a bit and send it higher. Massive delta. Massive, massive bullish delta. This has got to go one way. How much are they absorbing here? This is insane. This is really, really insane, guys. So much positive delta is just being absolutely absorbed like crazy right now. This is absorption to another level. Look at this delta. Look at this delta, guys. This is wild. This is absolutely wild. This is some seriously bullish open, but yeah, it's getting absorbed at the moment. This is getting absorbed. How much absorption are the bears gonna do though before the bulls break through? That's the real question here. I think this is gonna send higher. I really do. These bulls are out of control here. Yeah, but the bulls are so strong. They're so strong here. They're insanely strong. Yeah, I think they're gonna take it to the 400s. I'm still long on this. Up over 100 points. Yeah, they're insanely bullish. This is insanely bullish. This is wild. Keep going here. This is why I think that we're going to get this big, massive move to the upside, and then it's gonna cater, I think, later. That's what I think is going to happen. All right, let me see. QQQ. Okay, we're coming towards half gap. Where did SPX open? Oof, SPX open way down there. That is wild, guys. Alright, yes, it's pumping as well. This is one of the biggest trades live. 150 points so far on this. This is just, it keeps going. Massively bullish. Now this is gonna swing like crazy today. You gotta be very careful. It's gonna swing like crazy. I think they're setting up a bull trap here, guys. I really do. This could reverse at any point. Let's see where QQQ is. Yeah, I think they're setting up a bull trap. I really do. So much bullish delta here. So much bullish delta. And they're gonna slam this thing down. Yeah, they're slamming it, guys. They're slamming it. You're very, very careful here. This is not looking amazing, to be honest. They're setting bulls up here. Yeah, this looks like a bull trap, guys. This completely looks like a bull trap. That could be it. 350s could be it, guys. That could be it. Yeah, that could be it. I was hoping for half gap on QQQ, but I'm not sure we're going to get it. I'm not sure we're going to get it. I'm not sure we're going to get it. I think we're going to go straight down. This is not looking great. This is not looking great right now. Yeah, that's the smart idea, yeah. That is the smartest idea, okay, dog, to be honest. It's getting bullish again. Let's see if we can get the QQQ half gap. Crazy amount of bulls, though. Crazy amount of bulls. They're just squeezing the shit out of these shorts right now. So hopefully it can keep going. I'm still holding it. I'm at 120 points. Well, I'm gonna get out. Yeah, that's it. I'll be happy with that. Yeah, I'm cool with that. That's fine. Maybe it does go to half cap. Spy. Spy is weak. ES is weak. Yeah. Well, that's over 100 points. Gotta be grateful for that. That's for sure. SPX is really weak here. There's just no support under here. I gotta be careful. This could just go collapse today. Yeah, look at this sell-off now. Glad I took that off. I think I was speaking to K-Dog earlier and I said my target was around 365, wasn't it? Yeah. I said to you, we got to, what, 360-ish here? Straight into this, this like low volume node here. Alright. And we rejected straight from it. So, that could be it. That could be it. Because yeah, they've really set this up for a big fall now. They set it up for a very big fall. Because the amount of bulls that just came in so aggressively, I think they're in real trouble. The fact that SPX is trading way down there as well, it's not a good sign. It's lost all hedge pressure. It's under 0 gamma as well. It's in negative gamma territory. It's just seriously not looking great. Okay, NQ is trying to hold the value area low here. If it holds it, it's got a chance for much higher pricing. Let's see if we can hold. Yeah, the amount of bullishness in this market right now is absolutely crazy. Yeah, they might keep going here. They might keep going higher. They're trying to hold that value area low, and the amount of bullish delta that's come in today is, I've not seen this in a while. I've not seen that much aggressive longs come in at the start of the day. This has been crazy, completely one-sided. I expected this to be flying right now. The amount of bullish delta that's come in, I expected a lot higher. They're adding some orders at 220s. Yeah, they're asking for trouble here. Because if this squeezes down, it's gonna be an epic fall. It's gonna be a really epic fall. Right now it looks okay for the bulls because they're still in profits. But if it falls, this ain't gonna be good. Bull stepping back in again. Right. Yeah, they need to keep aggressive. The bulls really need to keep this going. They got to keep stepping on the gas here. Otherwise, yeah, it could get really nasty. They got to get away from all this delta. They've got to really keep pressing here. Alright, tough action here, guys. So far. This could be setting up for an epic fall. Now this is crazy. Crazy stuff. See this, look at this. All this bullish delta, and we're still hanging around here. They really need to get out of here. Up into the 470s, 480s, close out on profits. Otherwise, if they don't and this comes down, this is going to be a massive short squeeze to the downside. That's how I'm seeing it at the minute. Bitcoin's collapsing. Down over 2%. May come down to this trend line here. 89s. Ethereum down over 4%. Let's check on silver. Silver rallying. Yeah, bulls trying to hold this price. It's crucial to do. Otherwise, we're in for a really bad short squeeze. Long squeeze. XPX trying to hold this open. Let's mark out this liquidity level here on SPX. Because there's no gamma levels under these. They're all to the upside. This would be a massive sell-off from here if ES goes down. That'll be another 1.5%. We're already down 1.4. I'll be a negative 3% day on ES if it goes down to this liquidity level. The Qs would be another 1.7% as well. That would be a massive fall. But it could happen. Could happen. But there'll be another trade here. This will be a scalp back up, maybe 40 or 50 points. I think there will be a bounce here if we end up getting here before ultimately taking the lows. But we're actually rallying right now. This is important. This is really, really important that the bulls keep going here. I really hope we can get some really nice movement to the upside. Let's see where QQQ is. Yeah, QQQ might go for this half gap. Keeping an eye on QQQ here. It's rallying. NQ's rallying with it. Massive rally, yeah. All that liquidity to the upside is going to go and fetch it by the looks of it. Yeah, really nice. They protected themselves, the bulls. They really did. Otherwise, they would have been in trouble. Now, if we get above daily high on NQ and traders take profits, then the fall shouldn't be that wild. It shouldn't be that drastic, if that makes sense. Because if we fell here, there's a lot of, you know, positive delta in trouble. But if they all close their positions taking profits and then we fall after that, then it's a different case. Then the fall might not be as harsh. Yeah, I still think this is going to rally now. All these orders here are going to get filled. About 8 minutes until the next 30-minute candle. I'd love to see nothing but a rally on NQ today. Squeeze all these people who are bearish. They're making it very difficult though. Some shorts are coming in. Heavy shorts. I think they're going to get squeezed. Got 5 minutes until new 30-minute candle opens. I think the new 30-minute candle will provide the injection for the bulls to go higher and take out all that liquidity that's resting there. Let's see what happens here. Guys are trying to slam here. Watching QQQ. Let's put on. Bulls trying to step in again and clear that order book. Yeah, ATR is massive right now. Okay, they're selling. Yes, yes, is pulling back as well. Let's wait until this new 30-minute candle opens. I think we're going to go higher when it does. What's the daily high today? 440 is the daily high. I think the market is likely to go and trade there. Bulls trying to step back in. Lifted the orders, spoofed the orders higher. Yeah, bull stepping right back in here. Yeah, they want higher pricing. There you go. They're going to chase these orders. There they go. Go bulls. Let's go. Chase them. Yeah, I think they want to trade here. Sold again. I just feel this is going to blast straight through any moment. So that's what it's looking like to me. It's just going to blast straight through and go to the high. Oof. Bulls are so aggressive here. Can they get through that order? How much size has he put on? 119. Okay, we've got a new 30-minute candle here. I think they're going to trade higher. Okay, they're selling off. All the liquidity is still to the upside if you look at the order book. So it'll be a little surprising if the market just collapses from here. All right, it is going down. Getting slammed here really hard. Right, straight back at the VWAP. Bounce straight off it again. Oof. Very aggressive bull stepping in again on the tape here. Not getting much reward though, the bulls. It's not looking great. Yeah, this is looking really heavy. This is looking extremely heavy, guys. Wow. This is not looking good for bulls, guys. This is not looking good for bulls. They get squeezed here. This is going to be nasty. This drop is going to be really nasty. This is looking like bears are gonna slam this thing. This is looking seriously heavy now. This tape, the way it's moving, it's just doesn't look good. Hopefully they can keep bullish here. Yeah, it's not looking great. Bulls are trying to protect themselves again by stepping in. Are they going to be successful? I don't know. This is looking heavy. This is not looking good for the bulls here. Can they step back in and protect this level? Otherwise we're gonna collapse. Keep going, step on it. Go bulls. Get up there. Yeah, they're coming back in again. Go and chase that big order. You know you want to take that big order. Yeah, they have some shorts trapped. If they can pull away. Coming straight back down though. Oof, so heavy. See where QQQ is. Yeah, not really getting any follow through. Go bulls. Squeeze shorts. Squeeze some shorts here. This will be amazing if they can do it. And go and fill this big order at 360s. No, it doesn't look like they can. Yeah, this is not looking good. This is not looking good. This looks like it's gonna sell. Is that some news candle? What's going on here? They're getting absolutely slammed now. These bulls, they're getting absorbed. Let's check on the news here. Wow, Supreme Court doesn't rule on Trump's tariffs today. What a joke. What a total joke that thing is. Yeah, this is looking heavy. Heavy to the downside. Yeah, this is crazy. Yeah, bull's in trouble. Bulls are in big trouble. I think we come down all the way to at least 140s before we get a bounce. I can see this thing really accelerating down now. Trying to regain VWAP here. The bulls are getting absorbed. Bulls trying to regain some strength. All absorbed. They should sell down into the 140s, 150s. Yeah, a lot of absorption. This should get really slammed really hard. Bulls are in trouble here. Shorts have not even stepped in yet, which is crazy. The bears haven't even stepped in. The moment they step in, this thing is going to collapse. They're just setting them up. When they step in, this thing is just going to fall off a cliff. Okay, trying to regain some strength here. Yeah, this is a strange open. To me, this doesn't look bullish. Doesn't look bullish. Or it could get a pop here though. Trying to sell off again. Bull's getting nowhere. Delta coming in, getting squeezed again, getting absorbed. This is not even... The bears haven't even stepped in yet. The moment they step in, this order book's going to collapse. This is just all being absorbed by limits at the minute. This is just all limits. The moment the shorts step in, this thing's just going to fall off a cliff. Yeah, if this rebop doesn't hold now, I think this is just going to fall. They're trying to hold it. The bullish delta is just not getting anywhere right now. This is all just getting eaten up by limit shorts. This thing should collapse down. Really should. All right, trying to get bullish again. But this tape just looks bearish to me. This tape just looks bearish. This is just absorption after absorption after absorption. As soon as the bears step in, this is just gonna, yeah, there you go. Still trying to hold the VWAP. Still trying to hold. Bulls are still trying to hold. There's a big player in here. There's a big player absorbing all these longs. And I think he's going to be parting pretty soon when this market goes down. Yeah, I don't think they can do anything at the minute, these bulls. There's a big guy sat there just absorbing them all. They're trying everything. The bulls are trying everything right now to protect themselves. They're just getting nowhere. This is wild. Yeah, they're trying so hard here. All right, bulls are stepping in. Getting sold off again. They step in, they get absorbed. I think this is just gonna long squeeze down. That's my opinion on this right now. I think this is just gonna keep adding more longs, and this is just gonna be a really epic sell-off. I really think we've got a chance of smashing all the way down to the liquidity at 887, guys. All right. Yeah, trying to get heavy now. Shorts. They'll slam it as soon as they've collected enough liquidity. They'll slam it down. This is one of the bearish orders flows you're going to see in a while. What's up, gang? How's it going? This is not looking good, mate. For the bulls here. This is going to be a nasty sell-off. It'll be a miracle if they turn it around from here, in my opinion. It would be a miracle. But miracles do happen sometimes. Look at this. Just look at this. All this bullish delta and the price is just going down. This is not good. Bulls trying to protect themselves. Stepping straight back in. This looks pretty bullish. Okay, well that turned around pretty fast. We believe in miracles. Wow. They saved themselves again. The bulls have saved themselves again. That's crazy. Oh, this is crazy. This is wild. This is crazy price action. This is wild. Can't trade this. Impossible to trade. This looks as it's probably going to continue higher now. Clear this big order and it should go to the daily high. Nope. Still not being able to clear him. Can they clear the order? Nope. Should be able to do it though. Should be able to do it this time. Yeah, there you go. Cleared him. Now they should rally. This is wild. This should go to the daily highs now.